Proper nouns and technical terms often reduce transcription accuracy, leading to recognition errors. But with Vurbo, those problems are a thing of the past. You can start by selecting a built-in terminology library based on your topic. This can significantly improve speech recognition accuracy. Built-in libraries cover professional fields such as healthcare, law, security, and technology. If the built-in options aren't sufficient, you can create your own custom terminology list and upload it to the system. Supported file formats include Excel and CSV, which directly import the terms listed in the file. If you're using PDF, Word, PowerPoint, or RTF files, the system will automatically analyze the content and extract relevant keywords to include in your terminology library. There are 3 main formats for importing terms. Custom glossary terms. To enhance speech recognition accuracy, simply enter 1 keyword per line, such as technical terms, proper nouns, place names, or personal names. Fuzzy word correction terms. If certain words are frequently misrecognized, enter them as incorrect term plus correct term. The system will automatically correct them moving forward, saving you from manual edits. Translation dictionary terms. To improve translation accuracy, enter 1 pair per line in the format, original term plus translated term. The system will then map terms more precisely during translation. Once the setup is complete, you are ready to start using Vurbo.